A hands-on teaser video of the Insta360 LUNA has surfaced online, giving the clearest, real-world look yet at the upcoming camera. The leak, shared on February 26, 2026 by trusted tech insider Igor Bogdanov, shows the device being tested outdoors in what appears to be an urban Hong Kong setting. The footage confirms that LUNA is not just a concept. It is a near-finished product already being used in real shooting conditions. The launch is officially expected in the first half of 2026, with March heavily rumored. The video highlights LUNA's compact design and strong stabilization. The tester is seen holding the camera with a dedicated grip, and most of the physical controls sit naturally under the thumb and index finger. This layout clearly targets vloggers and solo creators who need quick access without adjusting their hold. The rotating touchscreen is positioned below the gimbal. It flips out and supports swipe gestures, allowing access to quick settings, live preview, zoom control, and menu navigation. AI-based live tracking is visible, with automatic panning and subject adjustment happening in real time. This suggests advanced onboard processing focused on smooth framing and smart subject detection. A large circular record button sits in the index finger position. It starts and stops 4K recording or captures photos instantly. A long press likely activates burst mode or quick cancel. Below the thumb area, there is a joystick-style directional control. This allows manual gimbal movement, menu navigation, field of view adjustments, and framing override. Dedicated zoom controls work alongside the joystick, supporting up to 3 times optical zoom between wide and telephoto lenses. A power and mode button is placed within easy reach for switching between shooting modes such as single lens, dual lens, or preview mode. A red LED indicator on the grip shows recording status, battery level, and connectivity. Additional side switches allow quick lens switching between wide and tele options. The LUNA journey started earlier in February 2026 when the CEO of Insta360, Liu Jingkang, officially revealed the camera name and first image. During that announcement, the company confirmed a first-half 2026 launch window. Soon after, an official teaser video appeared online showing strong depth performance and realistic background separation using a dual-sensor system. This depth effect looks more natural than what we see on the DJI Pocket 3. It may even outperform the standard edition of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to launch on March 26, 2026 with a single-lens module. However, a full comparison will only be fair once the expected Pocket 4 Pro arrives later in mid-2026. Earlier prototype leaks in January revealed that LUNA features a modular design. The camera reportedly includes swappable lenses and a twist mechanism that allows partial disassembly. This means users may be able to switch lenses or use the camera module independently. That flexibility could be a major advantage for creators who want portability without sacrificing image quality. Based on current leaks, the Insta360 LUNA is expected to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The camera should support up to 3 times optical zoom, enabling real optical background blur instead of software simulation. Video specs are rumored to include 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and AI-powered stabilization. Real-time portrait modes and depth enhancement are also expected. Internally, dual processors are rumored to handle automatic image optimization and stabilization. Wireless microphone integration is likely included, and multiple color variants may be offered beyond basic black. Pricing is expected to fall between $400 and $600 depending on configuration. A standard version may include a single lens, while a Pro version could feature the full dual-lens system. Availability will likely begin in China before expanding globally. With DJI preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4, competition is intensifying. Since both brands directly target vloggers and compact camera users, timing will be critical. Based on current information, the Insta360 LUNA could launch before or very close to March 26, 2026. Everything now points to a near-term release. The hardware appears finished, real-world testing is underway, and official teasers have already started building momentum. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a whisper in the rumor mill. It has stepped into the real world, and this time the proof feels solid. We're not talking about blurry factory shots or questionable screenshots. We're talking about real, hands-on footage, shared by an official DJI authorized store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. That alone changes the tone completely. According to the retailer, a customer walked into their store at Drones Kaki Bukit Bintang in Fahrenheit 88 and casually showed them the DJI Pocket 4. Imagine that moment, a device everyone has been waiting for suddenly appears in your hands. The store staff recorded a short video and uploaded it to their official Instagram account. The clip was only 33 seconds long, posted on February 15, 2026. Short, simple, but powerful. What made the situation even more interesting was how quickly the original video vanished. One moment it was live, the next it had completely disappeared. Ahead of a big product release, we often see carefully managed leaks. Not early-stage mock-ups, not half-finished test units. Instead, we see devices that look fully refined, packaged, and running what seems to be final software. And that's exactly the impression this leak gave. In terms of design, there isn't a radical shift, and that's actually reassuring. The Pocket 4 continues with the signature vertical gimbal layout that made the series instantly recognizable. It still feels small, travel-friendly, and clearly aimed at creators who want something fast and convenient. At the same time, the leaked footage hints at subtle but meaningful refinements. One detail that stood out is the addition of more physical buttons on the grip. That might sound like a small tweak, but it addresses a real frustration. Many users previously felt forced to tap through on-screen menus too often while filming. Having dedicated buttons means quicker adjustments, smoother operation, and fewer interruptions while capturing a moment. DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in the USA with the standard model around $549 to $649 and possibly $699 to $799 for higher bundles based on recent leaks. The most eye-catching upgrade, however, appears to be the integrated LED light positioned near the camera module. And this isn't some stiff, fixed light stuck onto the body. It seems to be mounted on a small, adjustable arm with hinge movement, allowing users to angle it as needed. That's a practical improvement, especially for low-light vlogging or indoor content creation. Instead of attaching external lighting accessories, you simply flip it out, adjust the direction, and continue shooting. It feels intentional, like DJI is focusing on real-life usability rather than just adding flashy features. Another quick glimpse in the video revealed a shooting mode called Super Photo. The name immediately caught attention because of its similarity to terminology long associated with GoPro cameras. On those devices, that mode typically enhances footage automatically, using HDR and intelligent noise reduction depending on the scene. If DJI's version functions in a comparable way, it could suggest more advanced automatic image optimization happening behind the scenes. For everyday users, that means improved footage without digging deep into manual settings. Of course, using a similar name in the same market space might raise eyebrows, but a company operating at DJI's scale would likely ensure everything is cleared before a global rollout. What this entire leak really communicates is momentum. The device doesn't look experimental, it looks complete. The interface appears polished and stable. Retail-level packaging seems ready. And historically, when DJI products reach that stage publicly, it usually means an official reveal isn't far away. At this point, it no longer feels like guessing. It feels like we're simply counting down to an announcement date. I'll make sure to reply to every comment, so feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions anytime. DJI is preparing to launch its first true 360 FPV drone, and it could introduce a completely new hybrid category in the drone market. This model is expected to combine aggressive FPV flying performance with immersive 360-degree video capture, removing the need to choose between traditional forward-facing footage and full spherical recording. The biggest highlight is the rumored dual camera system. Reports suggest the drone will use large 1/1.1-inch sensors, which are significantly bigger than typical FPV drone sensors. The camera module is expected to rotate, allowing users to switch between full 360-degree spherical capture and standard forward-facing FPV mode. In 360 mode, the drone may support 8K at 60 frames per second recording. Pricing is expected to be structured in multiple tiers. The drone-only version is rumored to cost between $400 and $500. This option is designed for users who already own compatible controllers or goggles. The standard combo, which may include the RC2 controller, is expected to range from $600 to $700. This package would likely be the most popular choice for new buyers. A Fly More or Immersive bundle could range from $800 to $1,000. This higher-tier package may include extra batteries, a charging hub, and possibly DJI goggles N3. Early pricing estimates are based on Chinese retail listings, with CNY converted to USD. Official global pricing in the United States and Europe may differ. In traditional FPV mode, it could shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. This hybrid camera system means creators no longer need two different drones for different styles. Pilots can focus entirely on flying while capturing everything around them. Later in post-production, users can reframe shots, choose angles, and create multiple perspectives from a single flight. This makes it ideal for car chase scenes, diving shots, orbit moves, and high-speed cinematic sequences. In terms of design, this is expected to be a compact Cinewhoop-style drone with full propeller guards. Unlike many FPV drones that use 3-blade props, this one is rumored to feature 4-blade propellers. This design may provide improved stability and smoother throttle response. The estimated weight is around 370 to 380 grams, although this is not confirmed. Final weight may vary depending on hardware components and battery configuration. Flight time is expected to be between 23 and 25 minutes. For a ducted FPV drone recording high-resolution video, this would be strong endurance. DJI is also expected to introduce fast charging support through a new charging hub, allowing users to recharge multiple batteries efficiently. Smart features could be another major advantage. The drone is rumored to include multi-directional obstacle sensing. Forward vision sensors are expected, and there may also be side detection capabilities. Some reports even suggest possible LiDAR assistance. If true, this could make it DJI's most intelligent FPV platform so far. These features would allow safer flying in tight spaces and better subject tracking during complex shots. Transmission technology is likely to use the DJI O4 system. This system offers lower latency and stronger signal performance compared to previous generations. It should provide improved clarity and a more immersive FPV experience. The drone is expected to be compatible with DJI Goggles N3 and support the RC2 controller, giving users flexible control options. DJI appears to be structuring the product into entry-level, mid-tier, and full creator bundle options. This approach allows beginners, experienced FPV pilots, and professional content creators to choose based on their needs and budget. Overall, this drone is not just a simple refresh of an existing model. It represents a potential shift in how FPV content is created. By blending full 360 capture with traditional high-speed FPV performance, DJI could eliminate the need for multiple drones and reduce the need for second takes. Creators can capture everything in one flight and decide the final framing later. If the rumored launch timeline is accurate, the drone may arrive around March. With hybrid camera technology, intelligent obstacle sensing, advanced transmission, and flexible pricing tiers, this model could significantly change the FPV and 360 video market.